How to use Taylor & Francis eBooks. Taylor & Francis eBooks is one of the platforms that the library uses to provide eBooks. eBooks are an electronic version of print books that can be read online or downloaded to a device to be read offline. The library tries to obtain ebook copies of core textbooks, but it's not always possible due to availability or cost. Taylor & Francis eBooks can be accessed by going to the eResources page and clicking on the link on the T tab. Type your search term into the search box and click on the magnifying glass. Tick the box to see just the content I have access to. You can filter the results by subject, by ebook collection, by publication date, by publication imprint, or by author. You can see the abstract of the book, and clicking on the title shows more details. You can get the citation of the book and download the book or read online. You can change the text size or language. You can search within the book, jump to a section of the book, bookmark a page and access it, add highlights or notes by selecting text and choosing a colour or add a note. You can print a selection of pages from the book. You can also have the book read aloud. There are two other methods of finding relevant ebooks. You can browse the subject categories. Choosing a subject from the list brings you to a similar search results page as searching by keyword. You can also explore the ebook collections. These are a mixture of subject collections and curated interdisciplinary collections.